Okay, so you've been to Morris Lubricants in Shrewsbury.
I have.
You've seen how we make oil.
Yeah,
okay.
I would say, boy, you boys don't mess about.
You're very kind. And
what we're looking at here.
Well, obviously we make lubricants for all the major market sectors. Okay, engine oils, gearbox, etc., etc. But we also do a range of ancillary products as well. Okay, so other than the main lubrication requirements of, say, the agricultural market and various other markets, we do a lot of things for the workshop. Okay, doke. So we've got greases for a start.
I know this, boy, because I use them all.
I know you do, yeah.
I use them all.
Yeah. Maintenance aerosols.
I'm a big
You're
fan,
familiar
I'm a
with
big
these,
fan
aren't
of
you?
your MD4.
Yeah.
Your solvent clean, I'd call that brake cleaner. I
Yeah,
know it's
absolutely,
not,
yeah,
but
well,
I call it, but that's mint.
Yeah, it doesn't leave any deposits.
Your chain
Perfect
oil's
for
mint,
brakes.
right?
Yeah.
For me, and cleaner.
This is yours.
That's
this is your go-to
Rolls-Royce,
every day of the week.
That's your Rolls-Royce, boy.
Yeah.
Don't knacker your hands, don't dry your hands out, and then get some mint.
Yeah, because you like to get your hands dirty, don't you? Let's be serious.
I know.
Yeah. So this
your
will
red
fetch it off.
grease, mint.
Yeah.
That'd use that on everything. Anything with the
It's
grease.
it's a good all-rounder. This is a lithium complex grease, and it's a good all-rounder. Yeah.
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 Screen wash, mint.
Brilliant.
What ratio are you mixing that to?
Well, it just depends on what protection you want, frost protection. So depending on what time of year it is, you decide yourself where do you want it. So I'd go 25.
We've not
probably.
had a bad winter, have we? We've not had it frosty,
No.
so 25% usually does, doesn't it?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Something like that.
Absolutely.
And your motorbike oil.
Well, this
that gets
here,
used
yeah,
in everything.
yeah,
boy,
absolutely.
For me. That gets used in everything.
And
Well,
obviously
obviously
this is
not everything, but everything motorbike-wise, whether it's in the gearbox, in the engines, the classic, the motocrosser, that gets.
And obviously being raced for TT,
yeah.
This was bred on the Isle of Man. Yeah. So this has got proper race credentials, and you know that, so which is perfect.
Yeah, well, that gets used in my mile bike, which nothing gets more hammer than my mile bike, nothing.
800 horsepower, yeah.
Some amount of power, boss.
That's some amount of power, so yeah. So
and that takes it, so yeah, mega.
Brilliant.
And the amount of water that has to deal with in my because it runs on alcohol, so there's a lot of moisture in there, so that gives the oil a real hard time.
Proper hard time.
So yeah.
Cool. And obviously we've got coolants as well, antifreeze coolant.
Yeah. I also use that in the mile bike as well as it is in the charge cooler system. Yeah. Go on. What else? Have we got?
So this will go obviously into agricultural tractors, and obviously lots of other market sectors. But yeah, so we've got a lot of ancillary products which will obviously sort of fill all the gaps in terms of workshop use.
But no one will know this.
No.
If anyone knows Morris, oh yeah, they just make engine oils. Well, no. Calibration fluids, suspension fluids.
Yeah, absolutely.
Go on, give us another. Your Purolene parts washer. That is the best. The parts washer is mean. I mean, it's mean on your out, but it is the best parts washer.
Yeah.
Go on. Give us some.
I mean, then of course,
red grease,
brown grease. The
you do blue grease as well. Extreme
which is
load.
Yeah, extreme low grease. Yeah. Good water resistance, good high temperature performance.
Every variety of engine oil.
Hybrid engine technology in cars now, all the way up to say truck market, ag market, off highway, construction markets. Yeah.
Morris.
Yeah.
Canal boats. Boys. You do it all. Yeah. Canal boats, I suppose. Yeah.
Lawnmowers, chainsaws, and obviously horticultural. The horticultural market's a big market, so we're into that.
Do you do two-stroke oils?
We do two-stroke oils.
Do you do two-stroke?
For motorcycle, ground care equipment. Yes. So yeah.
No, you boys don't do. Proud to be associated with you boys. It's great.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Cheers, Guy. Excellent. So that's our ancillary products. But if you'd like to see more content like this or see more videos with Guy, then please visit the Morris Lubricants website or visit our YouTube channel.